Now we're going to find the third number. The third number says that we have to find n sum x squared. Remember we said start from the right. Find the x squared, then sum, and then multiply by 7. Okay? So let's do that. As it says, find the square of each value of x. Then add up these values to get a total. Multiply this total by the number of pairs. So doing this manually, you will come here and you'll find the x squareds. As you can see, this table, this column is headed x squareds. Okay, because of what that expression is saying to do. Find x squared first. How do we find an x squared? 9 times 9 is equal to 81. We are finding x squareds according to the formula. 40 times 40 is equal to 1600. That's how you'd find the x squareds manually, yes? So you can do it that way, but imagine you have 300 pairs, 900 values, okay? You simply go to your app that you are using. We are using Excel. You can use SPSS, okay, or other statistical programs. You go to a column here in Excel, you label it x raised to the power of 2 because you want to find x squared, and you just type equal, you type the function that you want to do, and the x squares now are in the column A. So you just type, click on A2, the first x squared, raise A2 to the power of 2. To raise, you press Shift 6 because the upward arrow is above the 6. So you just keep your finger on Shift and you type 6 and you'll get that upward arrow. This is the international symbol for squared. That's one of the international symbols for squaring. All right, raising to the power of 2, and you just type enter. Bam, 81. Here it is. And you go back to the cell, you go to the little green rectangle, you double click, and bam, you have all the x squares. Now we have found the x squares. You have to find the sum of the x squares. You go to auto sum from D2 to D8. Here you have the sum of the x squares. And here now we have to multiply the sum of the x squared by n. All right, bear that in mind. That's what the expression says. So we have n times the sum of x to the power of 2 is equal. And then now we just type equal here. 7 times D9. That's where the sum of the x squares are. And you just, here it is, 7 times D9. And you just click enter. And here you have the third number, n times the sum of x squared according to Excel. However, you can do this manually in the prepared table if you choose to, okay? But it can be very efficiently done using Excel.